Hi, I'm Alex Shuker, CTO at Draytech UK and Ireland. Today I've got one of our Vigor 2927 LAC units that I wanted to take a look inside the box to show you what the contents are. So the 2927 series is our range of dual WAN router firewalls, really good for connecting to FTTP and has quite high WAN throughput. Can do on WAN 1 up to 950 megabits per second WAN throughput. So it's quite a capable box, ideal for the fibre connections that we're starting to see. So let's take a look at the unit. Here is the front panel. I can see we've got the factory reset button here, and we've got a wireless thing for enabling, disabling wireless, and also using for WPS. Then we've got the LEDs to show you what status is of the unit, and we've got a USB port. The USB port can be used for multiple things. It can be used for USB thermometer, USB storage, USB printer, but also as a USB dongle. If you've got a mobile broadband dongle, you can plug it into USB there, but it also has built-in LTE, so I'll talk about how you can connect the SIMs into it directly in a moment. Then we've got the WAN 1 and WAN 2 ports. The WAN 2 port can be used as a LAN port if you don't need it for a second WAN, and then we've got these 5 LAN ports here. So in total you can have 6 LAN ports if you set the WAN 2 port to be a LAN port. So let's take a look at the back. You can see we've got the connections for the aerials. Let's go and find those in the box. So here they are. Right, we've got 2 pairs. Here are the round ones are for the wireless, and this pair here are for the LTE. Let's take a look. The wireless is 8211 AC, AC 1300 product. So you screw those to the outside two. They're labelled wireless LAN, and then the inside two are for the LTE, for the mobile broadband. It's a Cat 6 product, can do up to 300 megabits per second of the physical speed on the mobile broadband. And we've got this here, which is the SIM slot. It can take up to 2 SIMs, so only one can be active at one time, but it means that if you've got run out of credit or no signal on one of the SIMs, it can fail over to the other SIM, which is quite useful. Then we've got the on-off switch here. So that's the back of the product. Let's take a look at what else is in here. We've got these that are quite useful. They're extension cables for the mobile broadband. So it's a 1 meter extension cable that's really handy for putting on the outside of a case to get better signal for the mobile broadband. They just screw on the top here. So you screw it on the top here, like that, and then this end goes into the antenna there. So what else do we have? We've got RJ45 cable and the power supply. So it's got a UK plug. It's 12 volts, 2.5 amp on there. It's got a decent length of cord for connecting it. Also got a post-it note and quick start guide. And finally, we've got a wall plug here. So you can wall mount this. So you can put it in any orientation. You've got the key sockets here where you just hook it over, and you can put it in any kind of orientation you want, because you've got the screws here and here, so you can put it in any directions. That's quite handy for installations. So that's everything that's in the box. I hope you've enjoyed taking a look through with me, and thank you very much for watching.